So we're here with Ryley Nicholson from Special Olympics Australia. Ryley, what have you enjoyed most about this WWE experience?
So far, definitely the atmosphere, fans, the wrestlers, everything else, the free tickets, I'm not complaining with those. And also lawn bowling, we went with Drew McIntyre, LA Knight, Indy, Candice LeRae, all those wrestlers.
Which team were you on?
Obviously Team Drew, you know.
Team Drew.
He's not that good of a lawn bowler, but good team.
And what does Special Olympics mean to you? What do you enjoy most about Special Olympics?
It means a lot. I do the basketball program, so it helps a lot. And it means a lot for these sort of events, which are fun and nice. Really nice events, free tickets, so I'm not complaining with a decent view.
And I believe you want to be a wrestler when you're older, so anyone you want to shout out to?
Shout out to Southern Territory Wrestling in Perth. You know, look them up. Got an event this week, held once a month down in Baldivis. I thought it's a big shout out to that.
Thank you, Ryley. Enjoy your evening. Thank you, mate.